3D use in educational multimedia courses. This module will cover techniques for creating and using 3D assets and animations in your courses. It is intended for instructional design professionals like you who have extensive prior knowledge in media production. The primary outcome for this module is for learners to gain new skills by taking part in active learning activities. You will work independently and as a group in order to complete the module. When you finish, you're going to be able to find or create 3D asset files for use in course authoring software like Storyline 3. You'll learn to manipulate 3D elements on different software platforms. And finally, you'll learn how to export those files for you to use in your projects. Mixamo and Blender are discussed in this module also. The first thing you need to do is to create an Adobe account. There is an easy link at mixamo.com. Look for the Sign Up for Free button. Mixamo is free to use even without a Creative Cloud subscription. Once you have your account, go back to the Mixamo homepage and log in. When you are in, navigate your mouse to the Characters tab. Select a puppet that you like. When finished, click on the Animation tab. In this case, we will search for a running animation. On the right, select Run in Place, and you can adjust the rest of the parameters as needed. When you are happy with the selections, go to the Download tab. Make sure that you select the FBX file type and save this file to your project folder. Go ahead and repeat this until you have at least 3 characters with animations. In order to import files into Blender, you will have to download the latest build at blender.org. A word of advice: Blender can be intimidating at first, so you might want to take some time to familiarize yourself with the UI. There are great tutorials at the Blender homepage that can get you up and running. Once installed, select Cycles Render. Delete the cube in the middle and go to File. Make sure you are on Cycles Render when you do that. Click on Import FBX. Watch closely to see what you have to do to pose and light your animation. When you are ready to export, go to the Render button and click. When your image is finished rendering, hit F3 on your keyboard and save the file. This lesson will focus primarily on independent study and a cooperative project. Your physical proximity to each other and the nature of individual workstations lends itself to some opportunities for collaboration. Learning objects are designed to complement the strategies in the lesson. By completing these goals, you will transfer newly acquired knowledge that can be readily assessed. Breaking away from a standard course delivery by way of PowerPoint has become a very desirable goal in higher education. 3D assets can be used as a way of engaging students with alternatives like role-playing scenarios, case studies, or as interactive learning objects.